Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to find your account number on Wright Patt Credit Union, especially with the updates coming in 2025. Whether you're a longtime member or just getting started, knowing where to look can save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First off, if you're not familiar, Wright Patt Credit Union is a popular financial institution offering banking services, and their platform has some neat features, including easier access to your account details. Now, with the 2025 updates, the interface might look a bit different, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Make sure you're logged into your Wright Patt account. Open the app on your phone or head to the website on your computer. If you haven't logged in before, you'll need your username and password. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, navigate to the Dashboard or Accounts section. This is usually the home screen where you see an overview of your balances. Look for a menu icon, like 3 lines or a hamburger button, in the top corner. Tap or click that to expand your options. Next, select Account Details or View Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of your accounts. Click on the specific account you're interested in, say, your checking or savings. Scroll down a bit, and you should find your account number displayed prominently. In the 2025 version, it might be under a new tab called Account Summary for quicker access. If you're having trouble, double-check that you're using the latest app version or browser. Sometimes, a quick refresh or update can make all the difference. And remember, if you can't find it, Wright Patt's customer support is there to help. Just give them a call. There you have it. Finding your account number is straightforward once you know where to look. This little tip can make managing your finances a breeze. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.